Thinking about a full outdoor lighting makeover? Here's how to get started. First, plan your lighting layout to balance ambiance, safety, and energy efficiency. Use landscape lights to illuminate paths and driveways for curb appeal and security. Accent lights can highlight trees, water features, or architectural details, adding visual interest. For decks or patios, consider string lights, ceiling lights, or recessed lighting to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Solar lights are a great eco-friendly option for gardens and walkways. Don't forget energy-efficient LEDs for long-lasting brightness. Layer your lighting for depth, avoid overlighting, and remember to plan for seasonal changes to keep your outdoor space looking its best year-round.